Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price target. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.01798 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And you can see that we just saw a bit of a long wick into the target area, and there are chances that this could be the low for the second wave, though at the moment we don't have any confirmations that this is the low for the second wave. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1, and that was after seeing a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.02127 mark. And since we have seen the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1, the next move that we expected was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And the minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is the area between the $0.01823 mark and the $0.01631 mark. And as a result of this breakdown in the formation of this wave 2, there are two possible moves that I'm keeping my eyes on. And the first one is that this could still not be the low for the second wave, and we might see one more leg down in the formation of that wave 2. And that is suggesting that maybe at some point Vechain might lose the key area of support at around the $0.01798 mark, continue seeing further breakdown, and fully maximize our red target area in the formation of that wave 2, confirm to us that the low is in, and then afterwards we can start an impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. Alternatively, there are chances that the low for the second wave was in right here at around the $0.0180802 mark, and soon we might see a reaction of this target area and start an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to say that we are back in an impulse in the formation of this wave 3, there are key moves that we need to keep our eyes on. And the first one is that Vechain needs to break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark, get a successful retest and continue gearing up, and see a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.021 mark. The moment we see a break above the wave 1 high, then that is enough confirmation that the low is in and that we have started an impulse in the formation of that wave 3. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Vechain chart. Also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a sharp decrease in the selling momentum. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.